Regenerative method of braking is based on that back EMF of rotor is more than the applied voltage. What Leonard method of speed control is basically a armature control method. Which of the following tests can be performed on DC series motor field test? Armature reaction in DC motor results in increase in speed. In a DC motor, the interpole winding is connected in a series speed armature winding. A DC series motor should not be started on no load because it would run at dangerously high speed. Because which of the following method is used for the speed control of DC shunt motor? Voltage control method, flux control method, rheostat control method, all of the above. If the field winding resistance of a DC shunt motor is increased, its speed will increases. With increase in temperature, the speed of DC series motor decreases. With increase in temperature, the speed of DC shunt motor increases. In which of the following devices the generated EMF and armature current are in the opposite direction? DC motor. If the load on a DC shunt motor is increases, its speed is slightly reduced due to decrease in back EMF. One DC motor drives another DC motor. The second DC motor, when excited and driven, runs at the generator. The speed of a DC shunt motor is required to be more than full load speed. This is possible by reducing the field current. The DC motor, the iron losses occur in the armature. Which DC motor has got maximum self-relieving property? Series motor. DC motor is to drive a load which is almost nil for certain part of the load cycle and peak value for short duration. We will select this compound motor. DC motor is to drive a load which has certain minimum value for most of times and some peak value for short duration. We will select series motor. If a DC shunt motor is working at full load and if shunt field circuit suddenly opens, this will max armature to take heavy current passes, possibly burning it. Where DC motor of horsepower 12 or more requires frequent starting, stopping, reversing and speed control, drum type controller is used. When the armature of a DC motor rotates, EMF induced is back EMF. In variable speed motor, a water commutating field is needed at low speed than at high speed. Which method of braking is generally used in elevators? Plugging. For which types of DC motor dynamic braking is generally used? Shunt motor, series motor, compound motor, all of the above. During rheostat braking of DC series motor is run as a generator. Hopkinson test on a DC machines is conducted at full load. Which of the following tests will be suitable for testing two similar DC series motor of large capacity field test? The purpose of retardation test on DC shunt machine is to find out stray losses. A DC generator are installed near the load centers to reduce line losses. In a DC generator, the iron losses mainly take place in armature rotor. DC generators are normally designed for maximum efficiency around full load. The common the condition for which for maximum efficiency for a DC generator is variable loss is equal to current constant loss. The total losses in a well-designed DC generator of 10 kV will be nearly 0.0 watt. Which of the following losses are significantly reduced by eliminating the core of a DC? The core of a DC generator is the current losses, which of the following loss in a DC generator is dissipated in the form of heat. Mechanical loss, core loss, copper loss, all of the above. Which of the following steps is likely to result in reduction of hysteresis losses in a DC generator? Using material of low hysteresis coefficient for armature core material. A manual shunt motor starter or load relay is connected in series and no volt relay in parallel with the load. DC shunt motors are used for driving machine tools. Torque developed by a DC motor depends upon all of the above. Which of the following loss in a DC generator varies significantly with the load current? Armature copper loss. The losses occurring in a DC generator are given below. Which loss is likely to have a proportion at rated load of the generator? Armature copper loss. In a DC generator, all of the following could be the effect of iron losses except increase in terminal voltage. The hysteresis loss in a DC machine list depends on rate of flow of ventilating air. The main disadvantage of the word linear control method, rate of flow of ventilating air. The main disadvantage of the word linear control method is all of the above. The main disadvantage of the word linear control method is high initial cost, high maintenance cost, low efficiency. It loads all of the above. In word linear control, the lower limit of speed is imposed by residual magnetism of the generator. For constant torque drive, which speed control method is preferred? Armature voltage control. Word linear control is basically a voltage control method. Which motor should not be started on no load? Series motor. Each of the following motor is most suitable for signaling devices and many kinds of timers? Reluctance motor. Which of the following motor is usually used in household refrigerators? Single phase induction motor, split phase start or induction run motor. Why are the DC motor referred for traction application? The speed is inversely proportional to the torque and the torque is proportional to square of armature current. If the speed of a DC shunt motor is increased, the back EMF of the motor will increase. Which of the following motors one will choose to drive the rotary compressor? Synchronous motor. If the terminals of armature of a DC motor are interchanged, this action will offer following kinds of braking, plugging. If a DC motor designed for 40° ambient temperature is to be used for 50 degrees C ambient temperature, then the motor is to be derated by a factor recommended by manufacturer and select the next higher horsepower motor. The armature voltage control of a DC motor provides constant torque drive. The plugging gives the highest torque braking. For a DC shunt motor, if the excitation is changed, torque will change but power will remain constant. Which motor has the poorest speed control? Series motor. If I square be the armature current, then speed of a DC shunt motor is independent of IA. The speed of a DC shunt motor can be increased by increasing the resistance in field circuit. As there is no back EMF at the instant of starting a DC motor, in order to prevent a heavy current from flowing through the armature circuit, a resistance is connected in series with armature. The armature voltage control of DC motor provides constant torque drive. The speed of a motor falls from 1100 rpm at no load to 1050 rpm at rated load. The speed regulation of the motor is 4.76%. Usually, wide intensity speed control is desired in case of colliery winders. Which of the following method of speed of control of DC machine will offer minimum efficiency? Armature control method. The armature torque of the DC shunt motor is proportional to armature current only. As the load is increased, the speed of shunt motor will reduce slightly. Which of the following motor has the poorest speed regulation? Reduced slightly. Which of the following motor has the poorest speed regulation? Series motor. Buses, trains, trolley, hoist cranes require high starting torque and therefore make use of DC series motor. In a differentially compounded DC motor, if shunt field suddenly opens, the motor will first stop and then run in opposite direction as series motor. Following motor is used where high starting torque and wide speed range control is required. DC motor. Flywheel is used with DC compound motor to reduce the peak demand by the motor. Compound motor will have to be cumulatively compounded. Speed control by wide linear meter gives uniform speed variation in both directions. Sparking is discouraged in a DC motor because commutator gets damaged. 3-point starter can be used for both shunt and compound motor. Which DC motor is generally preferred for cranes and hoist? Series motor. In DC machines, the residual magnetism is of the order of 2 to 3%. For which of the following application a DC motor is preferred over an AC motor? Variable speed operation. The condition for maximum power in case of DC motor is back EMF is equal to X supply voltage. The mechanical power developed by a shunt motor will be maximum when the ratio of back EMF to apply voltage is 0.5. Which one of the following is not the function of pole shoes in ADC machine? To reduce eddy current loss. If the supply voltage for ADC motor is increased, which of the following will decrease? Full load current. Which of the following motor is preferred for operation in highly explosive atmosphere? Air motor. Sparking at the commutator of a DC motor may result in damage to commutator segment, damage to commutator insulation, increased power consumption, all of the above. In case of conductively compensated DC series motor, the compensating winding is provided in series with the armature winding. For the same horsepower rating and full load speed, following motor has poor starting torque, differentially compounded. DC series motor are usually in none of the above situations. If a DC shunt motor is working at no load, if shunt field circuit suddenly opens, this will result in excessive speed, possibly destroying armature due to excessive centrifugal stresses. Motor will run at very slow speed. Which DC motor will be suitable along with flywheel for intermittent light and heavy load? Cumulatively compound motor. Which DC motor has got maximum self-loading property? Differentially compounded motor. The power mentioned on the name plate of an electric motor indicates the output power available at the shaft. The current drawn by the armature of a DC motor is directly proportional to the torque required. In a DC series motor, if the armature current is reduced by 50%, the torque of the motor will be equal to 50% of the previous value. The speed of a DC series motor is inversely proportional to the armature current. The starting resistance of a DC motor is generally low. Which of the following load normally needs starting torque more than the rated torque? Conveyors. Which of the following law rule can be used to determine the direction of rotation of a DC motor? Fleming left-hand rule. In a DC motor, which of the following can sustain the maximum temperature rise? Field winding. The ratio of starting torque to full load torque is least in case of shunt motor. In case the condition for maximum power for a DC motor are established, the efficiency of the motor will be less than 50%. A three-point starter is considered suitable for shunt as well as compound motor. In a DC machine, fractional pitch winding is used to reduce the sparking. In which of the following application DC series motor is invariably tried starter for a car? By looking at which part of the motor, it can be easily confirmed that a particular motor is DC motor commutator. These days, DC motors are widely used in electric traction. In a DC shunt motor, under the condition of maximum power, the current in the armature will be more than full load current. In case of DC shunt motor, the speed is dependent on back EMF only because flux is practically constant in DC shunt motor. What will happen if the back EMF of a DC motor vanishes suddenly? The armature may burn. A direct online starter is used for starting motor up to 5 horsepower. In a DC shunt motor, speed is independent of armature current. The speed of a DC shunt motor more than its full load speed can be obtained by decreasing the field current. When two DC series motors are connected in parallel, the resultant speed is normal speed. To get the speed of a DC motor below the normal without wastage of electrical energy is used valve control. If a DC motor is connected across the AC supply, it will burn due to heat produced in the field winding by eddy current. The type of DC motor used for shears and punches is cumulative compound DC motor. For starting a DC motor, a starter is required because it limits the starting current to a safe value. A DC series motor is that which has its field winding consisting of thick wire and less turns. In DC shunt motor, as load is reduced, the speed will remain almost constant. Starter are used with DC motors because to restrict armature current as there is no back EMF while starting. If the field of a DC shunt motor gets on while motor is running, the motor will attain dangerously high speed. 1. According to Fleming left-hand rule, when the forefinger points in the direction of the field or flux, the middle finger will point in the direction of current in the conductor out of the conductor. Which DC motor is preferred for elevator? Cumulative compound motor. Differentially compound DC motor can find application requiring low starting torque. This DC motor will be preferred for machine tool shunt motor. If a DC motor is to be selected for conveyors, which reactor would be preferred? Series motor. Which of the following application requires high starting torque? Locomotive. The direction of rotation of a DC series motor can be changed by interchanging field terminals. No load speed of which of the following motor will be highest series motor? The size of poxvirus is 300 Newton meter. Kingdom Protoctista includes unicellular organism.